How to fix Xbox Live error 121003 while playing Microsoft Solitaire Collection. To fix Xbox Live error 121003 while playing Microsoft Solitaire Collection, try 1. Update Microsoft Store. 2. Check the status of Xbox servers. 3. Disable IPv6 on your router. 4. Re-register Microsoft Solitaire Collection. Run GitOps package elusers Microsoft Solitaire Collection for each GitOps package. Disable development mode. Register $_install location \fx manifest.xml command in PowerShell as administration. 5. Delete Xbox Live credentials from Credentials Manager.